Hello, my lovely angels. Jai Shri Ram. How are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. Today, we are going to see message from Shri Hanuman. In this, we are going to see what areas from your life he is going to remove negativity from. We're also going to see his blessings. We're going to see his message for you. Secondly, please understand that this particular reading is a general reading. So take what resonates and leave what does not. Also, I have this special course on Sri Hanuman that I am offering at $5.99 only. The link to the same is given in the pinned comment. If you're interested or guided, you can take the course. Hello, my lovely angels. How are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. Today, it's time to connect with Sri Hanuman and get his amazing blessings via this reading and message as well. We're going to see in detail the areas of your life from which Sri Hanuman will remove negativity. We're also going to see in detail the blessings from him, the message from him as well. So if you've chosen this pile because of this beautiful clear quartz crystal or because of your date of birth, no matter what, this pile has a message for you. So when I'm holding this beautiful crystal, I feel that there is something that you have been going through which has you in loops. Okay, it's like a dog running after its own tail, that kind of a situation, and you are really confused whether this situation will turn in your favor, whether you will get the desired outcome that you have been praying for, or should you just give up. Okay, there's a lot of confusion around the situation. Sri Hanuman will give you clarity. Also, I can see a rainbow over here in this crystal. So I somewhere feel that there will be a miracle happening in the situation. It may not be the way you would want it to happen, but it will happen. Okay, the way the divine wants it to kind of work or play out. All right, so let's get started. First, we're going to see the areas of your life from which Sri Hanuman will remove negativity. Okay. Okay, one just fell. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram. Okay, 2. Jai Shri Ram. 3. Amazing. So, one more. All right, we'll take that. Now, let's see what are the areas from which Sri Hanuman will remove negativity, okay, from your life. We'll see all of it one by one. The first is home. So if your home has got any sort of negativity, Sri Hanuman will remove that negativity, thus blessing you with lot of abundance and good energy. I also feel that if you have been wanting to buy or sell a home and you have been facing a lot of obstacles, or even you're trying to renovate your home, Sri Hanuman will remove negativity from that obstacles as well that you're facing. Secondly, you need to declutter your home. That's important as well. The second message that you have got is corporate career or career. So no matter what your career is or whether you're in a corporate career, if there is any negativity that you are facing in that, Sri Hanuman will remove that as well. The ones who are not having a career because you are either a retired person, you are studying, or you're a homemaker, anyone who is very close to you and their career matters to you, that career's negativity will be removed. Okay. Third is physical health. So if you have been facing issues in your physical health, Sri Hanuman will remove negativity out of it. Of course, you need to see the right doctor, you need to take the right medication, and you need to take the right steps as well. The fourth is marriage. So if you have been facing any negativity in your marriage, Sri Hanuman will remove negativity out of that as well, or from your love life. Now listen, these are general readings. We have lot many people watching this video. So take what resonates with you. Take what is applicable to you. Okay. Now let's get started with a message from Sri Hanuman, and we're also going to get to the blessings. In case if you want to connect with Sri Hanuman in a more profound way, and you want to do a powerful ritual of Sri Hanuman, there is a workshop, a small workshop that I am offering at a very low price. It's just $4.99 so that maximum people can enroll and benefit out of the same. The link is given in the pinned comment. If you're guided, you can just have a look at it. Okay, now let's see. First message, okay. So the first message that you have got is Seven of Wands. So you feel, that other people are kind of, attacking you. You feel that there is constant, opposition. You feel that people are constantly opposing you. There is lot of, disruption happening in your life. You feel that no matter what you want to do, there is a lot of opposite forces, either in the form of people or situation, or even when people or situation are in your favor, you feel that somehow you don't have the energy to kind of get ahead with whatever it is that you want to achieve. Okay, so here Sri Hanuman is telling you that, okay, if other people are attacking you, remember that Sri Hanuman is between you and this people. Okay, they cannot reach you because Sri Hanuman is standing between you and them. So do not worry. Okay, it's whatever these people are trying to do to you, it's their karma and they'll have to pay the price for it. You do not have to worry whether you're going to be safe or not, or do not worry about their impact on you. The second message that you got is the Knight of Cups. Here, what Sri Hanuman is telling you, that be in the moment. Okay, you are worried about whether you will get the love that you have been wanting, whether your personal life will improve, whether the home situation will improve. So you're constantly worried about the future. So be in the present. Also, you need to process your emotions really well. You tend to get swayed away by the emotions. At one day you're very happy, one day you're very low. So have a constant emotion. Take support as well. Okay. Too many cards fell, so can't take all of them. The next message Sri Hanuman has for you is that your wish is going to come true. Okay, do not worry. You got the Nine of Cups card. Your wish is going to come true. Yes, there is struggle. Yes, your emotions have been up and down because of your past experience. However, your dreams are going to come true. But you need to be grateful. You need to be grateful for whatever you have. You need to be in the present rather than focusing on the past. Also understand that you're going to move ahead in life. You're not going to be all alone. Okay. I also feel when I look at your cards, I feel, that there is someone who keeps on distracting you, triggering you. Okay. You need to understand, do not give that kind of authority to other people. Take your power in your own hand. That's super important. Okay. You got 2 cup cards, which means Sri Hanuman is going to help you in your personal life for sure. And we have got marriage over here. So marriage or love life. So that's definitely again coinciding. I also feel that some of you have been so disappointed by your ex that it has been too tough. And some of you have had a very rough time with your in-laws and spouse as well. Okay, and that has been so traumatic for you, but do not worry, Sri Hanuman is with you. Okay, and he's asking you to be assertive and not kind of go into this emotional overdrive. Take support. Now let's see what blessings you're going to get. The first blessing that you got is a business venture. So if you're like, Sheetal, but I'm not into business, okay, so there could be some sort of financial inflow coming into your life because of somebody else's business, okay. And if you are into business, Sri Hanuman will remove the negativity that is there in your business or your corporate career And there will be an inflow of profit and your business will shine bright again. If you have been facing any setbacks, do not worry. I also feel with regards to the people who have business, okay, you have been facing a lot of opposition. People have been pointing at you that, hey, you are very expensive or this or that. And things have not been that great. However, Sri Hanuman will ensure that business will become better and all this negativity will go away. Okay, that's your next card. You got your wishes granted. Now, this is so interesting. That's what I love about pick a card readings. There's so much of synchronicity. You got 9 of Cups over here, all right, which talks about wish fulfillment. You got your wishes granted. This is also about wish fulfillment. So definitely your wish, Sri Hanuman is going to fulfill. All right. Now, let's see your other cards. Okay, I've already removed them. The first thing that you need to surrender is outdated beliefs about yourself. See, this outdated beliefs that you have got is because of those people, okay, that are opposing you, that are jealous of you. Understand one thing, there will always be someone who is going to be jealous of you, no matter what position you are in. All right. Rather than letting that jealousy affect your mindset, move on. The second card that you have got is change physicians. So, in case, if you're not happy with your current health provider, or, whoever you are getting uh, help from, okay, uh, get expert help, get expert suggestion, and speak to your family, speak to your own group of friends, trusted friends, and then take a call. All right. You got happy success. So definitely you are going to receive a lot of success. You're going to grow ahead in your life. And this success is going to make you feel so powerful and happy. You have really been, when I look at this card over here, you have been really sad about the situation that you have been going through. The same people who are opposing you, or who are like, oh, what's the big deal? Those people would be like surprised by your success. Okay. That's Sri Hanuman's gift to you. However, you need to be patient. Okay. Patience is the key. You cannot be like, I want it today. It's especially the success is going to be in terms of your abundance, and not surprising, you got business venture over here and career. And this abundance is going to really make you feel so free. The next card that you have got is Y. Okay, if you look over here, it's a Y. Now, when I look at this card, I feel that this card is specifically telling that why you stopped something that you used to do about Sri Hanuman. Okay, maybe you were chanting his prayer or mantra, or maybe you were going to his temple. However, you stopped doing that. Okay. Maybe you used to recite Hanuman Chalisa regularly, and then you have stopped it. So here Sri Hanuman is telling you, why did you stop it? Okay, there's no need for you to stop. You can continue. This is a very great way of kind of, connect. See, when we pray, it's like a mobile phone getting connected to the charger and getting recharged. So when we recite Hanuman Chalisa, when we listen to Hanuman Chalisa, or any of Sri Hanuman's shloka or stotra or mantra, we connect to his energy. And when we connect to his energy, we feel safe. A lot of negativity goes out of our life, and there's a lot of positive growth happening as well. All right. Now let's see the next card. Let's see a blessing from Sri Hanuman. A blessing to heal a relationship. So if you have been facing any kind of disharmony in your life, okay, Sri Hanuman will remove the negativity out of that relationship and help to heal this relationship. And the moment this relationship will heal, a lot of peace will come into your life, which has been an issue in the past. Okay. Now let's see what the Book of Answers will tell us. Okay, so think about a question for Sri Hanuman. And I will, not if you are alone. Okay. So whatever is this that is going on in your mind, the answer is only if you have the right support, only if you have the right people around. Okay. Only then. All right. Now, let's see what our Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. So think about a question, group 1, and let me spin the wheel for you. You have got, it's close to trust but towards a no. Okay. Now I feel that for this to happen, you need to build your trust and faith. It is said, Jaisa bhav vaisa anubhav. Okay. The whatever feelings you have, you're going to experience the same kind of, situations. So if you really wish for the answer to be a yes, then work on your faith. Okay. Whatever it is that you discontinued of Sri Hanuman, restart it. That's going to be super important. All right. And do not worry. Sri Hanuman is with you and he is blessing you. do not worry at all. And in case if you want to connect with Sri Hanuman and also learn about a very, very powerful ritual of Sri Hanuman, then you can click on the link given in the pinned comment and enroll for the workshop. All right, take care. It's a recorded workshop, so you get immediate access to the content. Okay, take care of yourself. Bye-bye. Hello, my lovely angels. How are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. Today, we are going to see what message Sri Hanuman has for you. We're also going to see what areas of your life will Sri Hanuman remove negativity out of. Okay, it's a very, very interesting reading. I cannot wait to begin. So, I've chosen this beautiful rose quartz mandarin duck. So I feel that there is going to be a commitment happening into your life. Now, this could be in the form of partnership, collaboration, or if you're single, then a romantic interest as well. If you're already married, you and your partner will be working a lot towards healing your relationship. There will be more harmony coming in your life, and Sri Hanuman will be removing a lot of negativity that is there in your relationships. Okay. Now, let's understand first how what Sri Hanuman is going to remove in terms of negativity from which areas of your life. Okay. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram. Okay, we got 1, 2. Okay, 2, 3, and let's take 1 more. So you got physical health. So first thing, the first area of your life from which Sri Hanuman will remove negativity is out of your physical health, which means that you may meet the right doctor or the treatment. However, please do not discontinue any medical advice, any medicine. Okay. You got pregnancy. So if you have been facing issues in getting pregnant, Sri Hanuman will remove the negativity out of that aspect of your life. At the same time, Sri Hanuman will also help you in new beginnings. So pregnancy does not mean only pregnancy with child. It also means new ventures as well. The next is success. If you have been facing any obstacles in terms of success, then Sri Hanuman will remove negativity out of that as well. For me, when I'm looking at all the 3 cards, I feel many of you are trying for a child in this particular pie. The next is future. So Sri Hanuman is going to remove any negativity that you are facing or you're worried about that you may experience so and so in your future. So whatever this negativity is, Sri Hanuman will remove that negativity from your future. Of course, you need to take the right action, and karmas and everything has a major role to play. All right. A person cannot be nasty, do bad karmas and expect amazing things to happen. Okay. Now let's see what message is from Sri Hanuman. In case if you want to connect with Sri Hanuman in a more profound way, then there is a workshop that is available. You can click on the link in the pinned comment and have a direct access to this workshop. It's a paid workshop. The piece is $4.99 only. Okay, let's get started with Sri Hanuman's message. Message number 1. You have got the King of Cups. Okay, so Sri Hanuman is telling you that understand you need to compose your emotions before giving a response. You tend to get really very angry or triggered, and you react without processing your emotions. So Sri Hanuman is telling you that please process your emotions and then respond, because unnecessary it creates a lot of chaos. Sri Hanuman wants to tell you that anger will not help you. Okay, it will only lead to further losses, or impulsiveness, carelessness will lead to further losses. So be patient. The second message that you have got is the Tower. So here Sri Hanuman is telling you that get out of your comfort zone. You cannot do the same thing and expect different results. You really need to ensure that you are trying different ways of reaching your goal. Focus on adjacent possibilities. Do not focus on closed doors. Also, Sri Hanuman is telling you that your emotions, when you're angry, you tend to be really very harsh on yourself and others. You use words that you regret later. However, those words are creating a lot of negative karma for you. And even when you're resentful, you use harsh words. So Sri Hanuman really, really wants you to stop doing that. Okay. Also, be careful of fire. The third message which Sri Hanuman has for you is there are toxic people in your life. Okay. And these toxic people you need to be careful of. All right. How do you identify these toxic people? They are the ones who take a lot of things and do not give back. They are just takers and not givers. Even if they give, it is 0.0000001% of what you have given. All right. So ensure that you have people who are balancing things out in your life. When I'm also looking at your cards, I feel that there have been somebody toxic in your life in the past who kind of triggered you, made you angry, and you blasted or bursted at them. And everybody else kind of looked at you as if you are the one who is wrong. And that has affected you. Now, here Sri Hanuman wants to tell you that listen, what they did to you was wrong. But by reacting in a wrong manner, you did not make the things right. All right. So learn a lesson from this, and going forward, when you know you're right, you need not burst or blast. Whatever it is that you want to say in a calm manner. And even in that particular point of time, you cannot be calm, just walk away or swim away from the situation. Okay. Now let's see the areas of your life that Sri Hanuman will bless you with. First is Sri Hanuman is telling you everything is going to be okay. All right. You need not worry. You need not keep on thinking, what if this, what if that, or what if this happens, what if that happens. Don't working, I'm saying. I'm so sorry. Somewhere I feel don't working, it's the wrong English, but it would mean that don't think that you have to do something to make it all right. The divine is already doing their bit to make everything okay. Don't worry, it's all working out in a beautiful way. Okay? Let's see your next card. Which area of your life Sri Hanuman will bless you with? Pregnancy. Oh my God, did you see that? This is the second. You got pregnancy over here and pregnancy over here. Some of you, my friends, are going to have a child. Okay? Of course, you need to focus on your physical health and mental health as well. And I feel that everything is going to be okay in terms of that. Secondly, if you are not at all focusing on a child or children, then this can also mean that whatever new project or new beginning that you're hoping for, everything is going to be okay in that. All right. Do not worry. This is so amazing. Even group 1 had a lot of synchronicity. Okay, let's see your other cards. I have already removed them. Okay. What you need to surrender to your soul's path. Understand that the things that you're praying for, it has been put into your mind by the divine. Why? Because they're part of your soul's journey and you need to just accept it. Second is improving health. Look over here. Again, a synchronicity. Here improving health, here physical health. So definitely focus on your health as well and focus on improving it. If you do your bit, then even Sri Hanuman will bless you. Stuck energy. So yes, you have been stuck in a rut a lot and that has been frustrating you. Have a look at this rainbow. Sri Hanuman will clear the stuck energy. However, please remove all those things from your home that are not working. Either fix it or replace it or get rid of it. Of course, speak to your family as well before doing it. Door to romance. Okay. So here this card is telling you that there will be a door opening for new people in the form of friends, family. These toxic people are going to exit and there is this new fresh energy that is going to come into your life and you're going to be so happy about it. You got milk and honey. So milk and honey means prosperity. So there is going to be a lot of prosperity coming your way, a lot of love coming your way, new beginnings, improving health with the grace of Sri Hanuman. All right. So I also feel that you have offered him some sort of I would say some liquid. Okay, could be an oil, could be milk and honey as well. But you offered him something which is in a liquid form, and he really appreciates it. Or maybe you've done some charity. Let's say the blessing coming from him to you, a blessing on your health. Oh my God, this is like a third confirmation. Now, guys, just because your cards are telling you that your blessing is health, that doesn't mean that you go and eat all the junk in the world and you don't care about yourself. No, it means that you need to take care of your health, and if you take two steps, even Sri Hanuman will take two steps for you. Okay, so that's really beautiful to see. You got physical health 1, you got improving health 2, and you got a blessing on your health thrice. So that's truly amazing. Now let's see what your book of answers is going to tell you. So think about a question for Sri Hanuman. Follow through on your obligations, which means follow your responsibilities. Okay, at times we do not like someone and they happen to be an important relationship. It could be maybe your in-laws, maybe your parents, maybe your sibling. So do your responsibility towards them. You do not have to interact with them every now and then. But whatever your responsibility is, do that towards them. Okay? Now let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. So think about a question group 2 and let me spin the wheel for you. Oh, look at this. You got soon and wait. Of course, it's on soon only. So it's going to happen really soon. However, there will be a very little downtime. So for example, you're expecting it to happen by 2 weeks. Okay. It will happen by 3 weeks. That kind of a wait and soon, because it was in soon only, but a little closer to wait as well. All right, my lovely angels. I hope you really enjoyed this reading the way I did. If you did, do hit the like button to subscribe to my channel if you are guided. And yes, in case if you want to connect with Sri Hanuman in a more profound way, I am offering this recorded course. Okay, it's only for $4.99. You can avail it immediately by clicking on the link in the pinned comment. Okay, it's only for $4.99, so make maximum use of it. Bye-bye. Hello, my lovely angels. How are you guys doing? Jai Shri Ram. And today, on this beautiful day of Hanuman Jayanti, Shri Hanuman Jayanti, we are going to see what message Shri Hanuman has for you, what areas of your life Shri Hanuman will remove all the negativity from. So, I'm sorry, I kept this card. It was actually this card. But you know what? I think the ones who are in 11 to 20, maybe there's a message from them for them as well. So if your date of birth is from 1 to 10, or if you have chosen this beautiful maze, this reading is for you. No matter what is the reason for you choosing the pyramid. So, you have been through a lot. Okay, you've clearly been through a lot. You have been keeping your perseverance, patience, persistence, and hope. You have been really being very strong. If there was somebody else in your place, they would have not been able to put up with the challenges that you have been through. However, Sri Hanuman has played a very vital role in giving you this strength. Also, I am seeing a goddess energy around you, and this goddess has always also been with you through this thick and thin that you have been through. Sri Hanuman, I feel you are connected to him. Like you feel that Sri Hanuman is your family. Okay. You also feel a lot of deep connect to God in general. wherein you consider God as your father, goddess as your mother, is what I'm getting. Now, I'm going to keep your mace aside and let's see the areas of your life first from which Sri Hanuman will remove all the negativity. Okay? I'm going to chant Jai Shri Ram while shuffling. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri. Okay, we got 3. Oh, 4. I'll still do it. Okay. This kind of just, oh my god, you've got a lot of cards. Let's see them. First area is wish. So if you have some sort of wish and you've been facing a lot of obstacles or negativity in fulfillment of that wish, Sri Hanuman will remove all the negativity out of it. Education. If you are in the field of education, like you're a teacher, then or a mentor, then a lot of negativity is going to get removed from it. At the same time, if you have been facing issues in upgrading your knowledge, a lot of negativity will be removed from that as well. Pregnancy, oh my god. If you have been trying to conceive and not been able to, Sri Hanuman will remove the negativity out of it as well. I somehow feel that you did pray to Sri Hanuman to remove obstacles from your pregnancy. However, it did not work out and you were a little disappointed is what I'm kind of getting. Not for everybody, it's for someone very specific. Okay. Pregnancy can also mean new projects or new beginnings. If you have been facing any negativity in achieving success, Sri Hanuman will remove negativity out of that as well. You got physical health over here. Okay. So definitely, if you have been facing negativity in your physical health, Sri Hanuman will remove that as well. I feel this has got more to do with your back, your head as well. Friendship and relationship. So if again you have been having a hard time in harmony, there is some friend of yours who is troubling you, then Sri Hanuman will remove that negativity from your life. Okay. Next is marriage. Oh my god. I think we have Sri Hanuman ji's bhakt over here. Okay. Ardent follower, ardent believer, and I'm not surprised because you got almost everything over here. Okay. You are the only group that got so many cards. The rest of the groups got only 4 cards. So there definitely Sri Hanuman ji's blessing, Krupa is on you and he will definitely help you in almost all areas of your life you have got over here. Okay. Let's see his message for you. The first message that you got is 8 of Pentacles. Okay. Here Sri Hanuman is telling you, you do the work and leave the rest to him. He's also telling you that you have been facing a lot of negativity in your career or in whatever it is that you do. And this has kind of disappointed you. You feel that, why am I facing so much of delays, setbacks, lack of recognition in my work when I am giving my best? Whether you're a homemaker, corporate career, sportsman, businessman, whatever. Okay. Understand one thing. Okay. That you have to do all the work yourself. All right. At the same time, you also need to understand that if you have not been getting the recognition and rewards in your career or whatever it is that you do, Sri Hanuman will fix it as well. You are a very hardworking person. But you need to be more focused on your work. Since you have not been getting results in whatever it is that you do, you are disappointed and not giving your best. The second message that you have got is toxic. Okay. So you do have some toxic witches in your life or there's some toxic people in your life and that's why you got friendship and relationship over here. So Sri Hanuman is going to remove that negative people or whatever negativity they are causing you, especially with regards to your career, with regards to your recognition rewards. Sri Hanuman will remove this negative people out of your life. Okay. See, what is removing negative people out of life? It could be as simple as, the other person leaving you alone, or the other person realizing their mistake, or you shining so bright that you become aspirational with the same negative person. Okay, let's see the next message from Sri Hanuman. You have got the Knight of Pentacles. So here Sri Hanuman is telling you that slowly but surely you are going to go places. You're going to achieve really amazing things in your life slowly but surely. So do not give up. Do not be like, oh my God, why am I not getting the recognition that I should get? Whereas people around me are so negative, they are getting all the recognition. Why am I suffering? So Sri Hanuman is assuring you, do not worry, you will reach where you want to reach. It's a slow process, but you keep on working. You don't give up. You don't pay attention to other people. That's not going to help you. All right, let me push these cards up. And you got 2 pentacle cards, all right, which means you are concerned about your career or finances, and Sri Hanuman will help you in it. Do not worry. Okay. Now let's see the areas in your life which Sri Hanuman will bless you with. If you want to connect with Sri Hanuman in a more profound way and clear a lot of, unnecessary energy, then there is a recorded workshop that I am offering. You can get immediate access to this workshop. It's only for $4.99. The link is in the pinned comment. If you're guided, you can go for it. Okay, let's see. Love life. Okay. The first thing Sri Hanuman is going to bless you with is improvement in your love life. Okay. This also means self-love, to be very honest. If there's a lot of negativity around your love life because of an ex or because of the trauma that you face in the past, Sri Hanuman will help you to clear it out. There will be a new person coming into your life. If you're single, if you're already married or in a committed relationship, the relationship will become more strong. Okay. Oh my God, look at this. Oh, even group 2 had a similar coincidence. You got pregnancy over here. You got pregnancy over here. Okay. So just like group 2, I think even the 11 to 20 date of birth was also by mistake had kept in it. So my lovely group 3, if you have been trying for a baby, that's going to happen. If you've been trying for a new beginning or a new project, even that's going to happen. Okay, so do not worry. This is so beyond beautiful. Okay, let's see your other cards. The first thing that you need to surrender is just fear of change. Okay, somewhere you want all of this to happen in your life, but you are not open to change. You tend to be stubborn and you are like, no, I don't want to change. That's not going to help. You have to move with the time. You need to accept new alternate possibilities to fulfill your wish. The next card that you have got is stay positive. Be very positive about your life. As Sri Hanuman is saying, slowly but surely you are going to go places. Also, Sri Hanuman is going to send somebody really young and trustworthy in your life who is going to change your finances and career for the better. You got, oh my God, look at this. Optimism and stay positive. Clearly, group 3. I know that you have been through a lot and that has kind of affected your faith, not in the divine, but in receiving amazing things. So get rid of that. Good, great things are going to happen to you. You got second chakra, Archangel Ariel. So again, second chakra is the reproductive organs, okay, and it is below the navel. So if you have been facing any issues around it, Sri Hanuman will help you to clear it. See, I understand one thing. Sri Hanuman is like a brother to us, and a brother will always help his sister, no matter what. Okay, and Sri Hanuman's energy is so amazing. He's such a kind, divine God. Okay, he'll always come to help. He never disappoints his devotees. Okay, you got co-create. So understand that Sri Hanuman and you are going to co-create an amazing future for yourself. You need to believe in it. You need to be consistent with your action as well. Okay. You need to kind of bring in that creativity, that fresh energy which you had in the past, which right now has kind of taken a back seat. Now let's see the blessing coming your way from Sri Hanuman. You got a blessing on a resolution. So here the friendship and relationship, it was showing a conflict. All right. So this card is telling you that do not worry. There will be a conflict resolution happening in your life. A relationship is going to get healed. You got success over here, and over here the Knight of Pentacles also said that slowly but surely you'll get the success in your life. You got pregnancy, which is again replicated over here. All right. And amazing. You got marriage over here. You got love life over here. So that's again a synchronicity. Okay. So God, Sri Hanuman is with you. Okay. Don't worry at all. Now let's see what he wants to answer regarding the question or the topic that is there in your mind. The outcome will be positive. Look over here. Stay positive. It's right. It's over here. It will cost you. The outcome will be positive, but there will be some sort of cost involved. Okay. So here is one remedy I would like to give you. So at times the cost came in terms of money or in terms of sacrifice. Okay. So what you can do is every Saturday you can just go to any Sri Hanuman temple and you can offer a yellow fruit. Okay, like a banana. All right. So here this offering is going to cost you something, right? So that is better than going through some sort of other cost. Okay. Now let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. So think about a question, my lovely group 3, and let me spin the wheel for you. Okay, you got a no over here. Now let's understand why is it a no. Because for I think group 1 there was a no, but it was very clear that why it was a no. Okay. Why is it a no for group 3? You got over here 8 of Wands. Okay. It's a no because there are a lot of forces at work. Okay. And also it is not meant to happen very soon. Okay, a lot of things have to be put in place for it to happen. Okay, and also you need to put in more energy into this. There's more faith, more manifestation, more work that needs to be done in this. All right. Okay, my lovely group 3. I hope you enjoyed this reading as much as I did. If you did, do hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel if you are guided. And if you want to connect with Sri Hanuman in a more profound way, then I have a beautiful, profound workshop. It's a recorded workshop. You can get an immediate access to it by just clicking on the link in the pinned comment. It's only for $4.99. So many of you can avail benefit out of it. If you are guided, of course. So take care of yourself. Lots of love to you. And I will see you again in the next reading. Take care. Bye-bye.